So let's check how you can create a amazing website using AI. So that you want to create a portfolio website or any type of services website, you can do that using HTML. So AI is pretty good at creating landing pages using HTML. So let's try out a tool that is the rocket.new. So we're going to generate the prompt in ChatGPT and use that prompt here in this website rocket.new and create our HTML website. And later I will show you how you can download the website. So in free version, you can download the website files, but there is a hack where you can download all the website files to your computer. So let's get started. So to generate the prompt, you need to write few lines about your services, about your name, about your company. So I have written few things like this. So let me copy all this and let me go to ChatGPT and I will paste it and let me add a prompt like this. I want you to generate a prompt to design a portfolio website with all the details where there will be about us, contact us, services, portfolio, and let me hit enter. So as you can see, the ChatGPT is now creating the prompt that we can use in rocket.new website. So first let's go to rocket.new and create a free account. Let's click on sign up. So here you can continue with Google or you can use a Gmail account or you can use a temporary email as well. So for now, let me log in with Google. Alright, now I am logged into this website and note that in free version you will get 1 million token and in personal plan you will get 5 million token and then 10 million and 22 million. So in free version we can create a website pretty easily. So let's go to the rocket.new and here we need to enter the prompt that is generated by ChatGPT. So let me quickly copy all these and let me paste it. And now it is saying that you need to choose the framework. So let me click on customize framework. Here let me choose the HTML, click on confirm. Alright, as you can see, you need to choose the pages you want to create. So let me choose home page, about page, service page, portfolio and contact page. So the tokens will be used. So if you increase the number of pages, then more tokens will be used. So for now, let me select these 5 pages and let's click on build my website. So it will take some time to generate the website. So you can click on notify me. Once the website is ready, it will send an email on your inbox and you can see the preview of this website. So let's wait for some time and see how the website is generated by rocket.new. Alright, as you can see, it started writing the code for our website. We have the Tailwind CSS used here and you can see the number of tokens used on your account. So let's wait and check how the website is designed. As you can see, it will take 10 to 12 minutes to build as per your request. So we need to wait for 10 minutes. Alright, as you can see, the website is created. So let me click on full screen. And this is how the website looks. So sections are pretty good. And we have testimonials as well. We have knowledge hub. And then we have the call to action button for subscribe, and then we have trusted by leading brands and weekly digital marketing email newsletter. So website is looking quite good. Now let's check the about us page, and this is how the about us page looks like. So it is good. As you can see, the hero section is looking quite good, and then we have the core services and you can set the pricing, get started button. All right, so you can take the idea how you can design your own website as well. So you can generate a website using AI and then you can follow the design structure, follow the idea behind the website and implement it on your own website, whether you are building it on WordPress or Blogger website. So it is pretty good. And you can see it has added a FAQ section as well. So everything working perfectly fine. Now let's go to portfolio page And this is how the portfolio page looks like. You need to make some changes. You need to change all the images, you need to change the links, and you need to change the text. So it is pretty good. Let's check the mobile responsive, and this is how it looks on mobile. So let's go to home page, and it is fully mobile responsive as well. Now let's check how you can download this code. So if you try to download it, then you need to have the pro version, but you can't download it to your computer directly. So you need to copy the code and add it to your computer manually. So let me click on code, and here you can see there is a download button, but you need to upgrade the plan for download. So what I can do is I will copy all the code manually and create all these pages. So let me quickly do that. So first one is the index.html. So we need to copy this index.html, and let me go to desktop, and here I will create a new text file, text document, index.html. Now let's copy the code, and let me hit save. Now let's copy the next page, package log JSON. Don't change the txt for now, we will change it later. Then we have package JSON. All right, we copied all the main pages. Let's go to public and copy the manifest JSON. Let's save it. Now let's go to pages, and we need to copy the about page. So you need to create a new folder, pages, and let's add the about us page. So this is a folder, pages folder, css folder. So you need to copy the files on its own folder. So let me copy the about us HTML. Similarly, I will copy all the pages. All right, as you can see, I created CSS folder and I included these two files, and then I created pages folder and I have added all these, and then we have public, and then we have the main pages that is added here. Now we need to change the extension of these files. So for this, let me do that. So we need to remove the txt here. So what I can do is I will click on here on this file and remove the txt. So similarly, you need to do this for all the files. Make sure that the index.html is in your root folder. So let's go to pages. All right, I renamed all the files to its own extension .html, .json or .js, and we have .html and .css. Now let's click on index.html. So as you can see, the website is loading from our local server and all the pages are working perfectly fine. So you can copy these files and upload it to your own server and connect a custom domain on it and make it live on the internet. Before that, you need to make several changes. You need to change the images, you need to change the links, and you need to make changes on its content before making it live on the internet. So it is a pretty good starting point. You can design a website using AI and take inspirations and build your own website, whether it is in Blogger or WordPress website. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button. And I already made a video on how to make your website live on the internet. So you can watch that video next. And I will see you in that video. Thank you.